Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. Let's go back and review. We learned that our T and our H, when they go together, make two special sounds. Do you remember? The first sound is and I'm sticking out my tongue. The second sound is and I'm sticking out my tongue. And the second sound, there's a tickle in both my lips and my voice box or my throat. We also learned that S and H, when they go together, make a special sound. Do you remember? You guessed it. They make the sound shh, like be quiet. All right, look on our screen. It's the alphabet again. Let's sing the alphabet song quickly. But again, we are singing the sounds, not the names. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great job. We're going to do something new with our alphabet today. We're going to talk about some of the special letters in our alphabet that have a specific name. I see things coming up on my screen. Do you? Can you count how many blue boxes just appeared on the screen? There are 5. You're right. I wonder why there are 5 boxes over those letters. That's because those letters have a special name. Without these letters, we could never make words in English. These letters have a name, and their name is vowels. Have you heard that name before? You know what? If you go anywhere in the world where people speak English, everyone will say, "Oh, I know what the vowels are. It's A, E, I, O, and U." But most people have no idea why those are special or what makes them a vowel. So let's talk about what makes each of these letters a vowel. Let's start with this letter. Everybody say "a" like an apple. That is the first sound of our letter A. A. Wonder why that is a vowel. We have a test. Do you see what's on the screen? There's a frog with an open mouth, and then there's a zipper. The first test is to see if the sound the letter makes, my mouth is open the whole time. So try it with me. Ready? Say "ah" like apple. Ah. Is my mouth open or closed when I say that sound? It's open the whole time. So that is the first reason my "ah" is a vowel sound. What's the second reason? The second way I know if a sound is a vowel sound is if I can sing the sound, or if I can keep going with the sound and not stop until I run out of breath. So you ready to try it with me? So try the sound my letter A makes and try to hold it until you run out of breath. Here we go. Ah. I could keep going, couldn't I? And you can try it. But we do know we can sing that sound, can't we? It goes on and on and on. So, because I can do that, that is another reason my "ah" is a vowel sound. What's the third reason? The third reason my "ah" is a vowel is because my voice box is supposed to vibrate. It's supposed to move a little. So let's try it. Try the "ah" sound and feel your throat. Do you feel your voice box moving? Ah, ooh, I feel it. So that is what's called a voiced sound. So because it's voiced, it's a vowel. So let's review. Say "ah." Is my mouth open? It sure is. Can I sing the sound? I sure can. And do I feel my voice box vibrating? I sure do. So this is a vowel sound. The next time, we'll do more with vowel sounds. Let's move on to our second sound activity. Today we're going to take a big word, even bigger than two parts. Each word is going to have three parts. Today I'm going to ask you to take off the first part of the word and say what's left. And guess what? A lot of times what's left is not even a real word, but that's okay. I want to see if you can do it. Let me show you the first one. Say December. Without D, what's left? Sember. Is Sember a word? Not a word I've heard of, but it's what's left. So Sember is what's left. Now you try. Say flamingo. Without fla, what's left? You guessed it, mingo. Say computer. Without cum, what's left? Pewter. Say volcano. Without vol, what's left? Cano. Say sombrero. Without some, what's left? Brero. It's not even a word, but it is what's left. Aw, say Dalmatian. Without Dal, what's left? Mation. Say terrific. Without tur, what's left? Ithic. Say submarine. Without sub, what's left? Marine. And marine is a real word. All right, it's time for our last sound activity, deleting. And for deleting, we need Mario to come help us. Is everyone ready for Mario? Hi, Mario. How are you? Good. All right, today for deleting, we're going to do what we did last time. I say a word, you and Mario get to echo, and then I want you to take off the first sound and tell me what's left. It should be a real word. Are you ready? Is Mario ready? Here we go. Say his. Is. Without h, what's left? Is. Is what's left. All right. Say ball. Ball. Without b, what's left? All. All is what's left. Three more. Say shade. Shade. Without sh, what's left? Aid. Aid is what's left. Two more. Say beach. Beach. Without b, what's left? Each. Each is left. Last one. Say core. Core. Without k, what's left? Or. Good job. All right. For Mario and me, we say goodbye for now. Have a great day.